Earlier we worked mainly with text and a little bit with graphics using Page. Now we're going to make our own custom images with Post. When you select Post, the first thing that you notice is that there are a lot of different templates that you can choose from. You could also decide you're going to work starting from scratch. I'm going to select this Facebook ad for the purpose of this demonstration. Once you've selected your template, you'll notice a couple of features in here. This template has a background graphic. It has some basic text that has a shape attached to it, and it has an icon that's being used as well. I'm going to begin by changing this graphic. If I click on it, you'll notice there's an entire dialog that opens up on the right hand side. If I click Replace, I can go find another image that I might want to use. For this one, I'm going to use this girl sitting at a computer. At this point, I can make a few changes. I don't like the way that she's peeking out from over that shape, so I'm going to make that graphic a little bit larger. I'm also going to change some of the basic coloring of that image. I kind of like lighten. I can also use a color fill if I don't want to use the graphic. I can rotate it as well. Working with text is similar to working with graphics in Post. If I double click on the text in here, I can highlight what I want to change, type in a different piece of information, click Done, and you'll notice it changes. There's also a dialog on the right that's relevant to text and allows you to change some of the basic features, including the font that you're using, the background shape, and the overall color. You can also change the style for the image. You can also work with vector-based icons. If I select the icon that's already in here, I can replace it with something that's more relevant to the item that I'm currently working on. You'll notice you have these handlebars which you can click and drag to change the shape and the size. You can also change the rotation of the icon that's in here. It's important to realize that the various components can be moved around independently. So if I select one item, I can click, I can move it to wherever I need it to be, and I can rearrange the way that my graphic is going to look. Once you're happy with your graphic, the next step is to either share it or to download it. Both of these options are available in the upper right hand corner. Sharing allows you to share the item with other individuals through a variety of options such as a Facebook link, on Twitter, via email, or just a link to your graphic itself. Downloading it, on the other hand, downloads a copy of your graphic in JPEG format and allows you to use it in other locations such as in your Spark page. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how you can use Spark Post to create some personal, individualized graphics for use in your page. Next stop, video.